everybody, welcome to my channel. Once again, I am Jason and this is my unboxing channel, and today we are going to be doing my second unboxing of the Plant Club, I believe it is called. I will put all the information for this particular subscription down in the description box below. But basically you get a plant a month, and in the subscription they send you obviously the plant. They send you usually a pot to plant it into, to transplant it into. They send you some I believe some decorative topper rocks or something of that nature. So I don't recall the price off the top of my head, but like I said, I'll put it in the description below, or I'll put it up in the video here. So let's get right into this. And you get your box like this. Okay, so it comes in this big box, and I went ahead and just sliced the side, but I did not open it yet, so I have not peeked in it at all. The thing I did notice about these is you have to be careful when you're unboxing, because sometimes it can be a little messy, so you might want to put some plastic out or something. But anyway, when you open it up, it looks like this. All right, and let's see what we get this month. Oh, they also give you planting soil. So we get to see, this is plant number 92, the Plant Club. So you get a nice little pamphlet like this. On the inside, it gives you what your plant is. It gives you a description. It gives you planting tips, care instructions, all the good stuff. So this month it is called the Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum. I think that's how you say it. Syngonium podophyllum, the Arrowhead plant. So, okay, well, I'm excited to get this and see. Last month, I think I don't know the actual Latin name, but it basically was the heart-shaped plant. So let's go ahead and pull out and see what we have. Oh, let's see. We have this little flyer in here. I don't think this is scheduled delivery using codes. To ship before Christmas, yeah, so anyway, this is nothing really important. They give you the potting soil, okay. Then they usually give you this little baggie with a little post in it that you can write the name of the plant, a little pencil to write the name. Give you a magnet with the plant on it, a little candy, and a sticker. So this seems pretty standard for what they give you each time. And let's see, we also have the decorative rocks. Looks very similar to what I had last month. So we get those. Let's see what the pot looks like this year, or this month, sorry. Okay, comes in a separate little box like this, and let's go ahead and cut this open here, see what this looks like. I did like the pot from last month. It was a very nice, had a jade top rim, and then it was a textured bottom parts. Let's see, how are we gonna open this here? They definitely wrap things well, so that's a plus. All right. They wrapped it too well. Oh, I get it here. Okay, I think we're getting this finally. There we go. And when you open it, it's still wrapped. So they really make sure that they wrap these well, which is a good thing. Okay, let's see what we got here. And this, they've really got it bubble wrapped here really well. Looks like another pretty pot. Oh yeah, I like this. Wow. This is what we get. This is really nice. I like this pot a lot. I even like the bottom with the little legs. This is really nice. Okay. And last but not least, let's look at the actual, oh, it's tiny. Tiny, tiny. This is the plant this time round. Let's pull it out of the, again, very well on the packing. They wanted to make sure that your plant didn't get crushed. So this is the plant this time. And this is, what was it, the arrowhead or spearhead? Let's see, arrowhead plant. Syngonium podophyllum. And it looks like, you know, the leaves are going to be, what do they call, not serrated, but you've got like the different colors on the leaves. Wow, okay. This is gonna end up looking nice in this pot. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this, but I don't know, like in terms of light requirement. Let's see, this thrives in bright indirect light, so it's gonna be best probably in front of one of the windows. Okay, yeah. Place near semi-shaded spot by curtain or window, yeah. So, all right, that's all for the Plant Club unboxing. I was happy with this unboxing again. I really do like the pots that they're giving us. So if nothing else, it's worth it just for the cool little pots. I don't know how this grows, if it just grows like straight up or if this is gonna fall and kind of trail. I don't know. I'll have to read a little bit more on the plant. But anyway, that'll do it for this unboxing video. Again, this was my second Plant Club unboxing, and I will put the cost of the subscription either up here or in the description below. But that'll do it for me. So keep an eye out for, I've got some more unboxing videos coming this month. It's kind of the mid to late part of the month, and I haven't gotten all my subscriptions yet, so there'll be some more coming. Keep an eye out for those. And if you have any ideas of other types of boxes for me to unbox, leave those comments below, and we'll take it from there. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. And everybody stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.